In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to underline text in Adobe Photoshop. If you're designing thumbnails, posters, social media graphics, or any kind of text-based design, underlining text can help emphasize important words and make your typography stand out. The good news is that Photoshop actually has a built-in underline feature, but a lot of beginners don't know where to find it because it's hidden inside the character panel. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the fastest and easiest method step by step so you can underline any text in just a few seconds. And before we jump in, if you enjoy simple Photoshop tutorials like this one, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and helpful design guides. All right, let's get started. First, open Adobe Photoshop and load the project that contains the text you want to edit. If you don't already have text on your canvas, you can quickly create some by selecting the Type tool from the toolbar. The shortcut for this tool is the letter T on your keyboard, which is the fastest way to access it. Once the Type tool is active, click anywhere on your canvas and type the text you want to work with. You'll notice that Photoshop automatically creates a text layer for this content in the Layers panel. Now that your text exists, the next step is to make sure the correct text layer is selected. Go to the Layers panel and click on the text layer you want to modify. This is important because Photoshop only applies formatting changes to the currently selected text layer. If you have multiple text layers in your project, double-check that you're working with the correct one before continuing. After selecting the text layer, use the Type tool again and highlight the specific text you want to underline. You can underline the entire line of text, a single word, or even just a few letters depending on your design needs. Simply click and drag your cursor across the characters to highlight them. With the text highlighted, the next step is to open the Character panel, which is where Photoshop stores most of the advanced text formatting options. To open it, go to the top menu and click Window, then choose Character from the drop-down list. As soon as you click it, the Character panel will appear on your screen. This panel contains options for font size, spacing, kerning, tracking, and also the underline feature we're looking for. Inside the Character panel, look for the underline icon. It usually appears as a capital T with a line underneath it. This button controls the underline formatting for your selected text. Once you've found the icon, simply click it. As soon as you click the Underline button, Photoshop will instantly apply an underline to the highlighted text. If you only highlighted a single word, only that word will be underlined. If you highlighted the entire sentence, the whole sentence will have an underline applied. This gives you full control over exactly which parts of your text get emphasized. One helpful thing to remember is that the underline will automatically follow the style of your text. That means if you change the font, size, or spacing later, the underline will update along with it. This keeps your typography consistent without needing to manually adjust anything. If you ever want to remove the underline, the process is just as simple. Highlight the underlined text again, go back to the Character panel, and click the underline icon one more time to toggle it off. Photoshop will immediately remove the underline formatting from the selected text. This quick toggle makes it very easy to experiment with different text styles while designing. And that's all there is to it. That's the fastest and easiest way to underline text in Adobe Photoshop using the Character panel. It only takes a few seconds once you know where the setting is located, and it can really help make important text stand out in your designs. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tips, tricks, and easy design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.